Hello friends, I am Chawla speaking. I am a ministry approved driving instructor working in Brampton and Mississauga for last 20 years. And in last 20 years, I have seen like a few mistakes. People are using doing doing the exams and they get failed. So I want to discuss about 10 mistakes of that and which you can avoid it easily, and so you can pass your test in the first time. Number one, always bring a safe and a reliable car for the test, right? And because you're going for the test, and examiner is going to check your car. First thing is like they're going to check your indicator, brake light, and your horn. And if any one of those not working, they're going to cancel your test even before starting the test. So make sure your lights and you have a reliable car. Majority of the driving school cars, they are reliable cars. You can, if you don't have one reliable car, so you can rent a driving school car for the test. Number two is always park your car forward facing, because when your test start, it's going to be like you are going to be very nervous, right? So it's always easy to take your car out forward. And in Brampton and Mississauga, it's always allowed to park your car facing forward. Number three, always keep your hand on the steering all the time, like in 10 and 2 position or 9 and 3. Don't hold your steering like this, don't hold your steering like this, don't use palm, don't use handle like this. Always make sure your hands are on the steering all the time. Even if you're not like driving, standing in the intersection, your hand should be on the steering all the time. Number four, don't exceed speed limit. If a speed limit say 50, 50 meaning is 49, not 51. If a speed is 60, its meaning is 59, not 61. Whatever the speed limit is written, always follow that speed limit. Always check blind spots properly. When you check changing lane or pulling over, just make sure you move your neck like this, move your leg like this to check a blind spot. Not like this, not in the mirror. Move fully. You have to check three things. It's called MSP: mirror, signal, blind spot. The blind spot meaning is like this or like this. Number six is make sure you learn all the parkings before the test. Parallel parking, 3-point turn, uphill and downhill parking, this one roadside stop, and parking in a parking lot. Make sure that you are master of the parkings, because if you don't know one parking, that will make you nervous in the test. And make sure you learn all the parking. Yeah. Number seven is when you approach any intersection, make sure you check both sides. Even if the light is green, still check both sides, because you don't know who is coming, right? Maybe pedestrian is coming to catch his bus, or maybe somebody is jumping the red light. Don't blame on the other people. Just make sure you check on the green light everywhere before, even when you're approaching the light. Number 8, always stop completely at the stop sign. When you approach the stop sign, make sure stop it completely, then check. Some people they just start checking before that and they miss the stop sign. Don't miss stop sign. If you miss stop sign, you automatically fail. So make sure that no rolling stop, nothing, no checking without like that. Make sure you stop completely at the stop sign. When you are turning right from a red light, make sure you stop at the red light completely, like a stop sign. When you stop there, then check. Then nobody is coming, then you can take a right. Okay, and you cannot run in front of the cars. Okay, yeah, there was a time or something. No, not like that. Red light, stop there, check. No one coming, then go right. Number 10. When you are doing left turn from a traffic light, go from left turn lane to left turn lane, and then speed up and then change back to right lane. Don't keep on driving in the left turn, or don't go straight to the right lane. So many people just fail because of this thing. So make sure you take from left turn to left turn lane, and then speed up and then change back to right lane. And one bonus which I want to give you is that always remember that it's your test, not examiner's test, not instructor's test. When you're doing a test, make sure that you do all those things. Don't expect any help from the examiner, or they're not going to give you any clue while doing that test. If you do any mistake, forget the mistake right there and keep on doing the test, right? And just make sure you learn all the skills and everything. And hopefully these tips are going to help you a lot in doing this driving test. And if you need any help, you can contact me anytime, and I will help you how to pass the test. And best of luck for your test.